Hi friends, pronunciation is the key in learning any language. Newbies struggle because lack of vocabulary and proper pronunciation. With this in my mind, I have created a series of videos to help people learn Kannada properly. Welcome everyone to Wonder Kids Kannada channel. Follow my YouTube channel for your learning journey. My videos are suitable for kids, teens or just anyone at beginner's level. For easier understanding, I have added the pronunciation along with split words. The videos are created using both Kannada and English so that it is easy to follow and understand. I have created the videos on following topics. For example, vegetables, fruits, animal, bird, etc. In grammar, I have covered parts of speech, nouns, pronouns, etc. Spoken Kannada, day-to-day conversations, which is coming soon. Subscribe to my channel as I will be adding more videos to help learners. Thank you, and I request you to share my videos to those who are in need. Thank you so much.